Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Glenn Tan speaking. This time, I'm continuing to talk about UMATCH 6 or UMATCH LNS, the controllers. According to the controller types, this presentation divides into these 7 parts. I have put the corresponding videos linkages at the below description area just for your convenience. Wireless remote controller. I just take the typical wireless remote controller to introduce. Here is the appearance. For different meaning of the buttons, I just put it here. Actually, I just copy from the owner's menu. What you can do is to change the mode and change the fan speed and also turn on and turn off different functions. And this wireless remote controller, it is a standard for cassette type and floor ceiling type. As for the duct type, if you would like or you don't like to control by the wired controller, you can also choose a light bulb. Here is this model, which you can receive the signal from the wireless remote controller, this one. And then you can control the duct type only from this wireless remote controller. As for the cassette type and the floor ceiling type, the receiver, it is built in. Here is what I mean the built-in. This is for the floor ceiling type. Here is the infrared receiver, and this is for the cassette type. This is the infrared receiver. As for the duct type, you always or you must install this wire controller, and here and also here is the infrared receiver. It can receive the wireless remote controller, the control signal, no matter the model of this wireless remote controller. I will introduce the different functions for the wireless remote controller. First is the I-feel function. The purpose of this one is according to the detected value from the temperature sensor inside the remote control, and then we will send this detected information to the air conditioner, which means we can higher the detected sensitivity to detect the room temperature more accuracy for the customer, as this remote control is close to the user, so the detected value it should be more accuracy. And also attention that this communication will update the detected value every 10 minutes, and also you need to put this remote control within the infrared receiver, which means you can send this value and then the indoor unit can receive the signal. How to check the room temperatures and the outdoor ambient is press this temp. This means the room temperature, and this one means the outdoor ambient. The value will display on the light bulb. And press again to change. Healthy and fresh air function. For this one, it will just take turns, just like this, to when you press this button. And for the healthy, which is to turn on the cold plasma, and for the fresh air, which is to turn on the air damper, and on the wireless remote controller, this LED it will display just like this. Accent function, also called 8-degree heating function. How to turn on it is on heating on stator. Press clock and timer, these two together, and then when the setting is okay, it will display these two to indicate it is operating. Just like this. Energy saving function. For this one, during indoor unit cooling on mode, also press clock and temperature button. Then it will enter the SE for energy saving. And also under this setting, the fan speed is fixed. It cannot adjust to turbo mode. And also the set temperature also fixed, not available to adjust. On the other hand, this energy saving mode is conflict with sleep function. That's all for this part of the presentation. If you still have any other question to ask or to discuss, please feel free to contact me on my personal email address.